What is up, everyone? This is the Alt Life back again with another technical analysis video, and today guys we are going to be talking about Digibyte. So as you can see here, we are on the CoinMarketCap website, and currently Digibyte is trading at 4 cents with a market cap of 400 million and a daily trading volume of $60 million. So as you can see here, Digibyte has had this huge spike in volume recently, and it hasn't had this in almost a couple months, where it ran from around 100 satoshis up to 2,500 satoshis about a couple months ago, and around the May time frame. So as you can see here, previous history says that Digibyte was trading under 100 satoshi to the 50 satoshi mark in the past 3 years here, when it was released in May of 2014, and it's primed for this big run here based on the technical analysis. So as you can see here, we are on the daily chart here, and Digibyte is currently forming this falling wedge pattern here, where it just broke out yesterday or a couple of days ago, and it's currently running at this very moment. So as you can see here, huge spike in volume, and if you take a look at the weekly chart to get a better understanding on this, so you can see right here. So basically Digibyte has done nothing for the first 3 years from right here from 2014 all the way up to almost May of 2017, and as you can see here, it basically traded around the 50 satoshi mark for basically 3 years, and it had this huge spike in volume where it ran from around 50 satoshis all the way up here to at a high of around 2,500 satoshis with this massive increase in volume there, and then slowly has been falling since, almost a let's see here, basically from the all-time high so to around today, so almost a 95% correction there, where it basically just almost wiped itself out there. So as you can see here, very similar pattern. Volume is almost exactly the same as it was in around the April-May mark, and what happened there? It ran from around 50 satoshis all the way up to 2,500. Do I think it will run that high again? I don't think so, because there hasn't been much news about it recently. Maybe this is more of people are trading it just from the pure fundamentals, and that the technical analysis looks really good right now. So as you can see here, this falling wedge pattern broke out a couple days ago, and we go back to the day chart here. So as you can see here, typically a falling wedge will typically break out with the same height of the wedge's side here. So basically, we'll take a rough estimate here. Basically, this wedge has a height of around 500 satoshis. So you take that from where it broke out, and you'll get roughly an estimate of where it could potentially run. So right around the 600 satoshi level there. So we're gonna have this region right around here in the upcoming week or so of a potential target for where Digibyte could end up, based on just technical analysis of a falling wedge breakout pattern. So basically Digibyte's looking really good. We'll go back to the 30-minute time frame here and today, and as you can see here, Digibyte is currently running previous days had this huge spike, broke resistance with this previous cup formation there, broke resistance, ran all the way up here to around the 240 satoshi level, and then had a decent pullback, currently forming another small cup formation there, as you can see here. So currently right there forming another cup formation, looks to be breaking out of that currently, and as you can see, it will trend all the way up to this resistance level here at around 240 satoshi. So we're gonna be looking for that in the next hopefully next day or two, to break this resistance level at around the 240 satoshis, and see if Digibyte on the, let's go to the hour, let's go back, we'll go to the day. So yeah, basically we're gonna have another resistance level at 400 satoshis, but that might not happen for a couple days there. So right around there, next target would be 400 satoshis if it were to break the 250 resistance level there for Digibyte on the 30-minute time frame. So that's basically the the technical analysis right there for Digibyte right now. Looks to have been broken out of this channel. As you can see right here, we have this kind of a trading channel here. So basically, if it in the near future, if it creates a false breakout, comes back into the channel, we're gonna have to trade accordingly and see if most likely this thing will consolidate sideways, and then there'll be potentials to trade that intraday if you guys are day traders out there. But if you guys are in it for the long term, this is going to be, so far it's so good. The trend is currently still in the uptrend, looking to test that 240 Satoshi level there in the near future. And basically, that's going to be it for the technical analysis for Digibyte. But I saw this thing on that was posted on Twitter about Digibyte. As you can see here, Digibyte's comparison to Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin is it's basically, it has 560 transactions per second, a 15-second block time, 5 mining algorithms. Supply, that's another topic to talk about, but 21 billion Digibyte supply currently trading at around 10 billion right now, so about halfway there. And then one of the cheapest transaction fees, so that's something to think about for the Digibyte community there in the near future. But as you can see here, technical analysis looking pretty good right now. Looking to test that 240 Satoshi level in the near future. Like I said, guys, if it does not and bounces off, we're going to have to readjust from there, the potential trend for Digibyte in the future. But Digibyte, one of those sleeper coins out there, looking really good. Technical analysis looks really good. A lot of people will be trading this because of the technical analysis, because you have this falling wedge pattern right here. But once this thing gets going, there could be some potential for a good run in the near future. So Digibyte, technical analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.